Ready to take your presentation to the next level? Buckle up because we are about to explore the magical world of hyperlinks. These tiny portals of excitement can transport you from one slide to another in a flash, or even bring you to a whole new website. Get ready to add some extra sizzle to your presentation and learn the art of linking both within and beyond your presentation. Hello friends, today I will talk about hyperlink. Section 1. What are hyperlinks? Hyperlinks are great for making your presentation more interactive and dynamic. You can use them to link different slides within the same presentation, making it easier for your audience to navigate through your content. By adding hyperlinks to your slide, you can allow your audience to jump from one slide to another with just a click, giving them a better experience and keeping them engaged. Additionally, you can also use hyperlinks to link to external sources like website documents or videos, making it easier for your audience to access additional information related to your presentation. Section 2. Inserting hyperlinks. Linking slides within the same presentation. Select the text or object you want to use as the hyperlink. Right-click the selected text or object and select Hyperlink from the drop-down menu. In the Insert Hyperlink window, select the Place in this document option. Choose the slide you want to link to from the drop-down menu. Click OK to insert the hyperlink. And that's it. Now when you click on the selected text or object, it will take you to the next linked slide within the same presentation. Linking slides to external sources. As a kid, you may want to include additional information or resources in your presentation to support your ideas and make your presentation more engaging and interactive. Here are some examples of when you might want to use external hyperlinks in your presentation. Example 1. Linking to educational websites. If you are giving a presentation about a particular topic, you can link to websites with additional information and resources on the subject to give your audience more in-depth information. Example 2. Linking to videos. If you want to demonstrate a concept or show a video to support your ideas, you can easily link to a video on a website like YouTube. Adding hyperlink to external sources. To add a hyperlink to an external source, first copy the URL of that website or video like this. Then open PowerPoint and start by highlighting the text or image that you want to link. Next, click the Insert tab and select the hyperlink option. In the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, enter the URL of the website you want to link to in the address field. Then click OK to add the hyperlink to your slide. When your audience clicks on the linked text or image, they will be taken directly to the external source. This is a great way to provide additional information or resources without cluttering your slide with large amounts of text or media. Hope you found this video useful. In the next video, we will learn about adding transition effects in a presentation. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.